Hey Mark, check it out. Another GoPro bites the dust, baby.
Oh shit, was that what just happened when you got out? Oh, I fucking...
That's it. So there's my new one. It's busted too.
That ain't GoPro, that's GoPro.
Oh fuck. Just dropped it getting out. So now I have 3 of 4 that are cracked.
Yeah, hang out with us.
This is the 4th.
Truck made it, Ben.
It's awesome, bro. Hurry up and get the shade up for me. Now I gotta put tape over it so I don't cut myself.
It's cold brewed vanilla cream.
Did they spell your name right?
Yeah, they didn't even ask my name.
Finding some shade there, Tom?
I'm trying to find some shade.
Another one bites the dust.
Yeah. Michael out. Where's our 12 by 24 Extreme Loves canopy, Michael? One day it'll happen, sir. One day.
Hey, I know a guy who prints, but he's really expensive. His name's Troy.
Nice.
Scratch off your.
What, you been hiding down here?
You want to talk to Nicole real quick about next issue?
Yeah.
I figure we should just...
I told her I was going to.
Oh, gotcha.
What's
okay.
that?
Yeah, no, I told her in the parking lot. I was like, I'm gonna pick your brain later about some
yeah.
magazine shit.
Do you want to do a feature
Don't
on...
ask. I just tell them. That's my standard off.
You're doing the feature on...
Voluntold.
on mini-nets.
Okay.
No, but remember you took all the pictures for mini nets and all
Yeah.
that stuff? We were thinking you just
Well,
write
it's
the whole
my-
thing.
it's my first
Because you
time.
were there. Up ahead, look. It's a mini trucker in its natural habitat. I'm going to touch it. Another successful XL AZ skating assault. 2026. Guys brought cool trucks out. If you missed it, well, you suck. Get ready for next year. I love these things. That's what my friend Ursula has.
But hers says not OJ.
Yep, that's the one. I gave Ryan a coffin tray. I picked him for my award. I was like, here you go. Look at the size of that fuel cell.
Yeah.
Okay, in the old days they used to say short pause for the cause. I don't know if they still say that or now. If you kids know what they're saying now, just let me know and I'll update my vernacular. Or if it sounds cringe that old people shouldn't be using new phrases, I understand that's a thing too, like, you know, so maybe I shouldn't. Short pause for the cause. This could not have come at a better time. It is the action camera Skatin 4, and well, it's the reason we have this sponsored video today, because recently, as you saw in that clip, yeah, kind of busted another GoPro, and busting a GoPro sucks. These things are expensive. They're really cool. They make the lenses interchangeable, but they haven't done anything about the back of these things yet. And well, that creates a great opportunity for us to bust this out of the case and try it out. Let's get it unboxed. Got our trusty little razor blade here. I'm gonna figure out how to get this guy opened. Looks like it's in a nice waterproof case. Lens, might want to peel this off first, or you might get some blurry photos. We've got, looks like a lanyard. Comes with some little action cam mounts. Comes with a charging cord and adapter. Comes with a bunch of little knobs. Now these looks very similar to the, well, the camera I'm filming this on, which is good. That means if you already own stuff, all this stuff is going to transfer over. So there's no need to go out and buy a ton of new products and new gadgets and widgets, if you will. So the Skatin, let's get it charged up and we'll cut back and show you what it looks like. Taking it out of the case, this thing's pretty small, pretty lightweight. And oh, look at that, it's already powered on. It's already got a little juice in it. I'm gonna do the right thing. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure it's fully charged before we start using it to shoot you guys a video, but that's cool to know that it comes with a little juice right out of the box. As you can see, the tray just slips down and back, and then you're gonna go ahead and pop the card on the back side and reinstall the battery and you know, get to vlogging. All right, so I've got it all charged up and I want to use it tonight filming the video of me painting this roof. I should say priming this roof. So That's me. Hey, look, there I am. All your stuff is down here at the bottom. As far as your menu goes, it's touchscreen. So you can just go ahead and cycle through time-lapse, video, slow, car mode, that's cool. But yeah, real simple to operate. We're gonna go ahead and leave it on video. I've left the protective film on this. I haven't peeled it off yet. That looked pretty cool. Want to format your card? Not a problem. Get it formatted. Want to update your date and time? Not a problem. You just go right into here. When you're done, you just go back and you're good to go. Let's talk. Let's grab this thing. Let's start recording and give this camera a go. So there you have it, folks, the SAW 10 action camera. Pick yours up today. Don't forget to, you know, hit the link in description or go down there and check it out in the description and use that code to save some money and buy one or something. Support the people that support me. Cool little cameras and stuff. Alright, so let's go ahead and get this steering hooked up. Here's where we're gonna be, right? This is the original part, the original shaft, in the original location, coming off the original steering column. I went ahead and I cut the rag joint end off. This thing is hollow, man. It's hollow, it's hollow, it's hollow. And then I ordered this guy from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description in case you guys want one of these yourself. It's the right size spline for the Toyota. And slide that piece on there. We're going to then we're gonna go ahead and get this piece right here. I ordered this off Amazon. I'll put the link for this in the description. We're gonna measure the amount that we can slide this all the way down. I'll probably drill a couple of holes in it. We'll plug weld this guy here. We'll shove it in. We'll do some set screws that are included, but they're just not installed. I took them out so I wouldn't lose them while I was playing around with it. This D guy is gonna slot in there, like so. You're gonna put your set screw in, you're gonna cut it to length. And if you want, just like I did on that truck, you can go ahead and burn a weld all the way around here as well. Now the angle looks pretty good here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna need a support or another joint or anything like that. I think with these can-dos, everything's gonna be good, but we'll know soon enough. All right, so I went ahead and inserted our 3/4 D shaft all the way up into that tube until it slams into that guy. I'm gonna put a mark on this end. I did the same thing here where I inserted it inside the joint. I'm gonna put a mark on this end. Now when I remove these two, I'll just add that to this length and we'll chop it. Simple enough. I mean, 8th grade math, I can figure it out. You can too. All right, looks like about 4.5 inches here. And 1.25 inches here. So that's gonna be 5 3/4 inches overall. Now, if you're wondering why I sit there and took the brunt of the sparks, it's because I remembered. Had a very empty, not vented correctly gas tank behind me. All right, let's see if we can get you guys a good look here. So we got these bolts in under the dash bar brace. We've got some bolts in the floor securing it in the stock location. We come out here and she's all the way up and situated where she needs to index. Indexed here, all the way inside, and then that piece that I cut goes all the way up inside this hollow tube. So we can just drill some holes here, do some rosette welds, some plug welds, and then burn this thing all the way in if we like. But she's still got some room to slide up here on the shaft. All we gotta do is now take her for a test drive. It's a mini truck wheel. I mean, it works. Don't want to mess my fuse box up and my neutral safety switch. That's for sure. All right, so at full lift, we've got a little bit of some interference going on here. But as you can see, none of these control arms are bolted in place, really. That steering shaft is still kind of loose up there, like really loose. I've only got about 3 bolts in here. So we'll do some adjustments. We'll do some fine tuning. We'll make sure everything's squared away first. And then we'll see if we need to add another pivot or something to this, or if maybe we need to just cut this tube all together and do one solid D shaft. Might get us the clearance we need. I'm gonna call this a win right now. Tires are turning. It's just fine tuning. Take it all in.